Good day. My name is Diego Arenzo Shendo. This is an Udacity Capstone project. Aim is to predict mortality by heart failure. That is two of the death events. One being that there is death event, zero meaning there is no death event. And this has 12 features. Then this is the structure of what I'm going to present. From data sets to down to comparing two models, then down to that's between AutoML and Hyperdrive, then to test model endpoints. Then going through my notebook. First of all, I have to import my dependencies. From there, I have to get my experiments and restart for my experiments. From there, I get the data set into a data store. First of all, upload data set to a data store and restart it. Then after there, I get my training folder and get my data from the data store and also split my data. Then I provision my compute cluster that my AutoML experiment is going to use. Then I configure my settings. For example, I set 15 minutes as my timeout minutes, and also my parameter is AUC and other things settings parameters such as classification. This is a classification example. This I also set like enable early stoppage time and some other configurations. From there, I submit my AutoML experiment. After I submit it, then after submitting this, then I see some pipelines, machine learning pipelines running behind the scenes, like the kernel and the likes of them with the best metrics. Then you can see the AUC curve, and you can see some of these machine learning models displaying their AUC model, the AUC metrics here. So, but I want the best. What is the best here? I saw that the best is 0.9615. Then what is it? Actually, it's a random forest. What are the hyperparameters for a random forest? Here, the AutoML use mass app scalar as a pre-processing, and from there, they use several hyperparameters. For example, mass feature, Gini, use Gini, and also number of its methods 25, and etc. So after this, then I have to register the model. After model registration, then I compare between Hyperdrive and Autumn. Remember, I've gone to Hyperdrive. Hyperdrive, I also register Hyperdrive here. The model is also registered here. So I saw that Autumn is better. Then from there, I see I have to get some files ready. Using inference config actually helps. Inference config for using for to use to deploy helps in configuring for deployment of the endpoint deployment, the model deployment. So I got this actually from Azure. The same with I got the files the same with environments. So from here I now deploy my model after configuring the where it's going to lie, like the configuration settings. For example, the CPU core 2 and the likes of them. So after deploying this, I now got my endpoint. Then I test my model. I tested it using this, but there's another way of testing it. Also using Postman. Using Postman, let's see. As you can see here, um, let's pay attention to serium creatinine. This is a good variable. I also pay attention to time. See, as I send this, is 30. There's a death. Once I increase time to 200, let's see, 200. No death event. Let me see this. Let me change this now. There's death event. So after this, then what next should I do? After testing this, I enable my application insights and also go through the logins. Get logins. So application insight was enabled through and get my login information. After getting it, I see my postman runtime is there. Then service, I did my service. Thank you.